IBM is hiring freshers for the role of associate systems engineer. Let's see the eligibility criteria and how to apply for this job. The batch who can apply for this job are should lie between 2017 to 2021 batch. Then eligible departments are computer science department, IT, ECE, EEE, and E&I. These are the departments eligible to apply for this role. And the eligibility criteria of marks are 60 percentage and above in 10th and 12th. If you done diploma, you should have 60%, and a degree with no standing arrears. This is the eligibility criteria. Then the salary will be intimated by the company after a selection process is over. You will be getting the offer letter. In the offer letter, you they will mention the package. What will be the package? And the mode of selection is there will be like three rounds. The first round is online test round, and the second round is technical interview, and the third round is HR interview. And how to apply for this job? First of all, you want to go to the IBM Careers portal. After signing up in this IBM Careers portal, you can get the reference number in your mail inbox. After getting this reference number, you can go to the below link, the second link, and you can give this reference number and some other details to apply for this job. At last, I will show how to get reference number and how to apply with the second link. I also will be giving the first link and the second link. That means the IBM Careers portal link and the registration link in description. You can use those links to apply for this job. Then let me show. This is the first link where you want to sign up, and you want to get the reference number. You should give the email address and password. Inside they will ask some basic informations like a resume and your name. These are the basic information they would ask to apply in this IBM Careers portal. After that, you will receive the reference number in your mail inbox. After getting this reference number, you should go to the second link, that is share your information link, where you can give all your details, your address. Then here, this is the field you want to give. In order to get this reference number, you want to apply in the first link. After that, you can come to the second link, and these are the some private and basic information will be asked. After completing all this, you can submit the form. By doing these two process, you can able to register for this company. All the best for your interview preparation.